Well, my name is Peter Kroll. I come from the University of Texas at Arlington, and I pursue computational studies of these polymer-derived ceramics. I'm working on this subject since almost 25 years, and I'm still enthusiastic about what fun you can have in setting up models and in getting properties from a computation. All these workshops that I have attended in recent years are very inspiring and motivating. It is this close interaction that, as a computational scientist, I can have with experimentalists. They provide me information, they guide me in my endeavor to provide better models and to make better simulations of the material. And very often I can communicate my predictions to them, and together we're coming to conclusions and an advance in the science. Well, as a computational person, I'm luckily not so much guided by what will be future applications, because I'm a scientist and I'm very much interested in the basic science of these materials, how they work and how I can understand it. I think my engineering friends are way more motivated to think about new applications of these materials, be it as battery materials for energy storage, be it as structural materials, or be it as porous materials which have implications for example, environmental remediation. I leave these ideas to them. They are quick with transforming the science into action. I provide the understanding of the material, and I'm happy doing that.